Travel. It makes you a storyteller. You set off on a journey, meet so many people, make friends for life. You learn, you laugh, you contemplate. You come back with a part of you changed, and you don't even realize it. You think you traveled alone. But did you? Was this journey only yours? The driver who ferried you on those dangerous roads while you photographed the valleys. The porter who shared your burden on the trek so you could enjoy views. The guide who accompanied you in narrow lanes so you had an interesting story to tell your friends in the next meetup. These people you meet leave a part of themselves in you, and while you journey on to different destinations across the globe, they stay back, doing what they do, day after day, month after month, year after year, helping another set of travelers just like you, enabling them to travel, turning them into storytellers. Imagine embarking onto a journey without these enablers, the ones that are instrumental in showing us magic.
In today's episode of the Quirky Wanderer Favorites, the special lockdown series, I share some of my favorite travel enablers. Walking tours, local travel companies, biking tours, trekking companies, basically homegrown brands that I wish to extend support to post this lockdown. Again, this is not a sponsored video, and all the brands that I have mentioned in this video are brands that I can personally vouch for. Let us begin with Swadesi Tours. As the name suggests, Swadesi provides hyperlocal experiences in India. One of their most unique experiences in Maharashtra is exploring offbeat Konkan, where local women lead tours to show not just the biodiversity of the region, but also provide an insight into the local culture. Not to forget, there are culinary classes where you learn to make modaks. The next one is Goodwind Motor Tours. One of the safest ways to travel post the lockdown will definitely be road trips. For biking enthusiasts, what better way to explore specially curated offbeat trails in India with Goodwind Motor Tours? These are premium biking tours that not only take you to spectacular destinations while providing an end-to-end experience, but also make you feel good because a part of what you pay goes towards the care and health of underprivileged children in India. Next is Rubaru Walks. Rubaru Walks bring the destination alive with their unique storytelling. I explored the streets of Varanasi with Ayush, and he enthralled me with his stories and knowledge. From hidden gems to unseen weavers of Varanasi, I came Rubaru with the magic of Banaras. Apart from Varanasi, they conduct events in several historic cities, including Delhi and Lucknow. I love Himachal, but I wouldn't dare to drive on those mountain roads. We owe all our mountain trips to these daredevils who drive on curves with such ease, ensuring our safety at all points of time. For me, roads of Himachal are synonymous to Pawan. Pawan and his friends are the most reliable cabbies in the state, and they have all lost the tourist season courtesy the lockdown. Not only is he a driver par excellence, he is also the most knowledgeable guide one can find. Next is Kipipeo Tours, founded by Piran Ilavia. Kipipeo enables responsible travel in the northeast of India, ensuring livelihood of local communities through the conservation of their local environment, culture, and traditional practices. I did the Barse Rhododendron trek with Piran and was in awe of his inclination towards sustainable tourism. While road trips and India travel are definite trends post the lockdown, Savari Car Rentals is one homegrown brand that deserves a mention. It is an online cab booking aggregator providing customers with reliable and premium intercity and local car rental services. They operate in 98 cities in India, making them the country's largest chauffeur driven car rental company in terms of geographical reach. So, why drive when you can Savari? Last but not least is a local brand from Mumbai which has made Mumbaikars realize how little we know about our own city. Haki Tours, led by Bharat, made me a tourist in my own city. An expert storyteller, Bharat's walks are enriching and leave you wanting for more. Certainly one of the best ways to explore the city of dreams and its many hidden nooks and corners. Our travel is what it is because of these travel enablers. So it's only fair that we acknowledge them and give them their due once the lockdown is lifted. So which are your favorite travel enablers? Please let me know in the comments below and do not forget to share this video. Till the next video, stay in, stay safe.